Ever feel like your appointments vanish into thin air the moment they're done? Like trying to remember a dream? You know it happened, but the details are fuzzy. If you're nodding along, you're not alone. For many businesses, especially those thriving on scheduled appointments, keeping track of past interactions can feel like a constant uphill battle. Maybe a client mentioned a specific preference last time, or perhaps you need to recall the exact service provided. Without a reliable system, these crucial details can slip through the cracks, potentially impacting client satisfaction and your ability to deliver consistently excellent service. Think about it. A loyal client walks in for their regular treatment. Wouldn't it be great to instantly recall their favorite add-on from their last visit? Or imagine a new staff member needing to understand the history of a long-term customer. Sifting through paper records or relying on memory just isn't efficient or scalable. It's time-consuming, prone to errors, and frankly, a bit of a headache. This is where the power of appointment history tracking comes into play. It's not just about knowing who showed up when. It's about unlocking a wealth of information that can transform how you interact with your clients and manage your business. It's about building stronger relationships, personalizing your services, and ultimately, providing a superior experience that keeps clients coming back. So, how can you effortlessly access this valuable information? Today, we're diving into Setmore, a fantastic platform that makes appointment history tracking not just possible, but incredibly easy and intuitive. Forget digging through dusty files or straining your memory. Setmore puts your appointment history right at your fingertips. Let's take a look at how Setmore elegantly handles this. Once an appointment is completed in your Setmore calendar, it doesn't just disappear. Instead, it's automatically recorded and stored within the system. This creates a comprehensive history for each of your customers. To access this history, all you need to do is navigate to your customer list in Setmore. Here, you'll find a record for every individual who has booked an appointment with you. Simply click on a customer's name, and you'll be taken to their profile. Within their profile, you'll find a dedicated History or Appointments tab. Click on this, and voila! You'll see a chronological list of all past appointments for that specific customer. This includes the date and time of the appointment, the service or class they booked, the staff member who provided the service, and even any notes you might have added to the appointment. Think about the possibilities this opens up. During a follow-up appointment, you can quickly review what was done previously, ensuring consistency and allowing you to build upon past treatments or discussions. If a client has a specific concern or request, you can refer back to their history to see if it's a recurring issue or something new. But Setmore's appointment history tracking goes beyond just a basic list. It allows you to add valuable notes to each appointment. Did a client mention a new allergy? Did they express satisfaction with a particular product? Jot it down in the appointment notes. This creates a rich tapestry of information that you can refer to in the future, allowing you to personalize your interactions and demonstrate that you truly remember and value your clients. Furthermore, this historical data can be incredibly useful for analyzing your business trends. You can see which services are most popular with specific clients, identify patterns in their booking habits, and even track the performance of different staff members. This data-driven approach can help you make informed decisions about your offerings, marketing efforts, and staffing. Imagine being able to easily identify your most loyal clients and reward them for their continued business. With Setmore's appointment history, you can quickly generate reports on customer activity, allowing you to tailor special offers or loyalty programs. And it's not just about individual appointments. Setmore also allows you to filter and search your overall appointment history. Need to find all appointments for a specific service within a certain date range? You can do that. Want to see all appointments handled by a particular staff member? That's just a few clicks away. This powerful search functionality saves you time and effort when you need to access specific sets of data. The benefits of having this readily available appointment history are numerous. Enhanced customer experience. By remembering past preferences and details, you can make each client feel valued and understood, leading to increased satisfaction and loyalty. Improved service delivery. Knowing the history of treatments or services allows for greater consistency and personalization, ensuring a higher quality of service. Streamlined operations. No more searching through paper records or relying on memory. Accessing past appointment details is quick and easy, saving you valuable time. Better business insights. Analyzing appointment history can reveal valuable trends and patterns, helping you make informed decisions about your business. Effective staff management. Tracking which staff member handled which appointments can be useful for performance evaluation and ensuring accountability. Dispute resolution. In the rare event of a misunderstanding, having a clear record of past appointments can help resolve issues quickly and efficiently. Setmore's approach to appointment history tracking is seamless and integrated. It's not a separate feature you have to actively manage. It's a natural byproduct of using the platform for your scheduling needs. Every booked, completed appointment automatically contributes to this valuable historical record. So, if you're looking for a way to gain a deeper understanding of your client interactions, improve your service, and streamline your business operations, embracing appointment history tracking with a tool like Setmore is a game changer. It transforms past appointments from forgotten events into valuable insights that can propel your business forward. It's about working smarter, not harder, and building stronger, more meaningful relationships with your clientele. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.